Hey, this is Chandrani and welcome to Living with Chandeep. Today's video is a festive home decor haul from Amazon. Durga Puja is just a few weeks away, followed by Diwali. So it's time to deck up our homes in festive colors. I'll be putting up festive makeover videos from next week. But to do that, I needed to buy a few things to bring up the festive vibe in our home. In this video, I'll show you all the stuff that we bought and I'll add all the links in the description box below. So let's get started. When I think of festivals, the first thing that comes to mind is lights. Aesthetic lighting is a trending topic in home decor community these days, and rightly so. But you don't always have to spend thousands of rupees to get that glamorous, luxurious lighting. Today I'll show you a few products using which you can create that warm, cozy and beautiful environment by spending so much less. So the first product I have is this Bubble Balls LED string light. I bought the 25 LED 4 meter one, but they have longer sizes if you want to decorate your balcony or garden using this. These are so beautiful, I absolutely love them and I can't wait to put them up. Next I have these tea light candles. They come in a set of 6. They are battery operated. When turned off they look totally fake, but when it's turned on, you can put these tea light candles inside a tea light holder or inside a mason jar or inside a glass bowl, and this will look great. Like these tea light candle holders I have next. They come with these tea lights, but I prefer fake candles to avoid any kind of accidents. So this battery operated tea light candles that I just showed you, I think that will look perfect with this. Next I have this gorgeous iron lantern. It comes with a pillar candle. It's almost 15 inches in height, so it's perfect for a coffee table or side table or a dining table centerpiece. Isn't this really beautiful? I think this is my favorite buy from this haul. Now let me show you another set of battery operated LED candles. They have flickering flames to give them a real feel, hence the higher cost, but I think it's totally worth it. If you don't want the flickering flames, you'll get something like this at a much cheaper price. I'll be using these candles in the lantern instead of the real one. Next I have these string lights. This is the last item in the lights category. These actually come in a set of 2, but I have already placed the other one in this tea light candle holder, as you can see. This is also battery operated. There are numerous ways in which you can use these tiny things around the house during the festive season. You can put these in tea light holders, in lanterns, in glass jars. These are actually cork lights, so you can place them in wine bottles, glass painting bottles. I actually have another set like this, but those come with the big batteries, so I think it's better to have 2-3 of each kind, because these ones are good for these kind of things where the entire set goes in and you can't even see the battery pack. But since AA batteries are more easily available and last much longer, you should also get a set of string lights like this. So now I have something very interesting to show you. It's this glass globe terrariums. They come with this small fake plants, these strings, and a bag of small stones. I won't be using these strings, I'll be using jute rope instead. These artificial plants are very small. I think they have given 2 plants for each terrarium, but if more can be used together, these might look good. I have a couple of interesting ideas on how to style these terrariums. I'll be showing them in the upcoming festive makeover videos. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when the videos come live. Next up, I have this gorgeous square glass tray. I think it's absolutely beautiful. You can keep beautiful decor items on this and place it on your coffee table. You can also use this to organize your jewelry or makeup products. So next I have this carpet for our living room. This is 4 feet by 6 feet in size. I have a few runners and mats, but I really wanted a good quality carpet. So this is it. I haven't actually opened it yet. So let's see how it looks. Okay, I think it is really beautiful. It's actually better than I expected. The back side is also great. This is non-skid. To see how it actually looks in our living room, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because next week I'll be putting up the festive living room makeover video. So now coming to the last item of this haul, I have these floating shelves for our dining space. Our dining space has been lying totally non-decorated from the beginning, but I think it is time to give it a nice makeover. So this styling of the shelves will be up in a totally separate video. There will actually be 3 shelves in 3 different sizes. I chose brown because our dining table set is brown, so I think this will look great in combination with that. We love having floating shelves in the house. I think these can be styled beautifully with plants, with books, with candles and so many other decor items. The floating shelves also are very cheap compared to cabinets and big shelves and all, so you don't have to spend tons of rupees to decorate your house. So that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.